What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and tonight I've got a hot take on Astral Radiance. If you haven't heard already, Astral Radiance has recently sold out a couple days ago on Pokemon Center. I've always said that I'm not the biggest fan of Astral Radiance, but I'm looking at it today, and if you do have a position in Astral Radiance, I've been thinking about this. If I had a position, like if I had, like, say, 3 booster cases of Astral Radiance, this is exactly what I would do in a situation like this. This is not financial advice. I don't have 3 cases, so you don't have to listen to me. So since this booster box is sold out on the Pokemon Center, as expected with everything, even the sets that, like I have said, aren't the best, once something sells out on the Pokemon Center, it goes up. Let's take a look at the 1 month chart, and what do you think happened right here? This little that was a selling out on the Pokemon Center. If you look at more data and the recent sales, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, maybe not that much, but I was taking a look at the recent sales and probably should have done my due diligence, but I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that the 22nd was the day of the sale, of the TCG sale. And that's why so many sold on the 22nd. But if you look at this, at the sell rate of this booster box, you sold 2 on the 1st, you sold 1 on the 2nd, a couple days, no sales, 1 on the 8th, 1 on the 9th, 2 on the 10th. Nothing crazy, no major sales of this. It's not a big fan favorite set, but watch what happens. The sale happens, all these sales to be expected, 8% off, whatever it was, couple sales. I'm assuming it sold out on the 1st because this on the 2nd, sales. Just sales out the wazoo. Since this thing sold out on the Pokemon Center, it has been not only selling like hotcakes, but it's selling for a good bit. This dude bought 6 of them for 185. Now, I don't know if this was sold with photos. It doesn't look like it was, but he's paying a case premium. He's not even necessarily going to get a case, I don't think. This is just me talking. This guy paid 160 for him. So if I had 3 cases, say I bought 3 cases a couple months ago, I was sitting on them waiting for them to appreciate. This is a situation where, in my opinion, you ride this little wave up, see how far this goes, because you know it's going to creep. It's honestly, and at this rate, it's probably going to creep pretty close to 200. It's probably going to sit like 180, 190. If that hits 180, 190 over the next like couple of weeks, week or two, I would sell all of it and then put it into Lost Origin or Brilliant Stars or maybe even Silver Tempest. Because if you look at the chart, for the last 3 months, it went completely sideways. I mean, this thing just did nothing for 3 months. And even 6 months ago, it only had gone up. Like over the past 6 months, it's only gone up $11, sold out, and this thing is skyrocketing. Now, in my opinion, this isn't the hottest set, but it's sold out, so it's spiking. I would ride this straight to the top. I mean, at 180, I think 180 would be a pretty good sale price. I would sell everything at 180. I would reinvest that money into a set that's about to make the same exact move. I just think other sets are going to make this exact move harder and more aggressively when they sell out. If I had a position in Astral Radiance, I would sell like hotcakes right now, and I would be eating up a different set with the money you make on this. That's just my hot take. So yeah, good night, guys. Thanks for stopping by. That was a weird sign off. I'm gonna give you a different sign off. I feel awkward. I feel judged. I'm judging myself, so I can only imagine you're judging me equally as hard. Now I gotta give you a sign off. Fucking hell. I hate when I have to do this.